fart?
Hey, just swallow your air and do it.
That was a wimpy burp, Tristan.
Oh, who wants to? Do you want to do a movie?
Shh, no.
Please.
Tristan, just swallow your ear.
Okay.
Swallow your air. Such a win. Tristan, lift up your belly. Lift up your belly for a second. Does that... Stop! Does that tickle?